Hey guys, so I am just going to do a quick kind of like review and swatches, just a little bit of a chat about the Urban Decay Ammo palette. I just got mine from Sephora. It was on sale for $10. I can't talk again, shocker. It's originally, I believe, like $34 or $39. I want to go with 34. And it usually comes with, I think, a brush, and I know it comes with like a mini Urban Decay primer potion, but this one just came with the palette for $10, um, which is fine. So that's what I got. I just thought 10 Urban Decay shadows, $10, can't pass that up. So this is what it looks like. I was actually, I don't know, I was kind of surprised at how small it was when I first got it because I'm so used to I just got the Vice palette from Urban Decay, and I'm so used to like the bigger palettes from them that I was kind of surprised by this one. So just so you know, like here's my hand and here's the palette. It's about the size of your hand. So then you open it up. You have a pretty nice sized mirror. Hey guys. And then you have your 10 shadows. Now, I will note right now that they are all shimmery. If you don't like shimmer, then you're not going to want this. Some have more glitter than others, but they all definitely have some sort of shimmer to them. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk about a little bit of the colors in a little bit more detail. Okay, so the first color up here is the color Smog, and I am familiar with this color. It's in my Naked One palette, and I use it quite a bit, so I'll go ahead and just put it right there. It's just a really pretty brown, bronzy gold, just really, really pretty. Alright, next we have Mildew. It's this nice green color. And I love these two together. They're so pretty for just like a bronzy green eye. Does a nice job of breaking it up. So those two colors, I love them both. Then we have Oil Slick, which is just a black with some shimmer in it. It looks like just silver shimmer. And that is a very nice, powerful black. But the silver shimmer is very apparent when you put it on. The next is Last Call. And this is actually probably one of my most used colors in the palette. I really like putting it in the crease to kind of blend it out, and it just warms up the entire look. So, so pretty. It's not really a color, it's a little bit too pinky, in my opinion, for my skin tone to wear all over the lid, but just using it to blend out, I love. And my someone that lives like right down the hall from me in the dorms got this palette when I did, and she was like, I don't know how I'm going to use that color, and I told her that I was like using it in the crease to blend it out, and now she loves using it there. So then we have Chopper, and I don't even know how to go about describing this color. It's like a more orangey peach version of Sin. It's almost like a rose gold kind of color. It's like a, yeah, I don't know. There it is. It's like a rose gold. Then underneath that we have Sin, which is also a color that I have from the Urban Decay Naked palette. And that is just a very light pink, like kind of highlight color, or a lid color. Works well for both. Then one of my favorites, Grifter. Now this is a more glittery color. It has chunks of silver glitter in it, but it is a light purple, and it's just really pretty on the lid. I'm actually wearing it today right out here, along with another like a brown NYX one. It's a Rollerball and Walnut. Rollerball and Walnut from NYX, and Grifter from Urban Decay. Then Polyester Bride. I wonder if you can pick up, can you see how glittery that is? I wasn't too sure about this at first because it's a white with like silver glitters in it. So I haven't really figured out how I'm going to wear that yet. I'm not sure. It's a little bit over the top for me. It's a little bit harsh. But I'm thinking maybe a little bit of polyester bride and a little bit of sin together would make a nice highlight. I don't know. We'll see. Then Shattered. I haven't really worn this one too much yet, but I think it would be really pretty underneath the eye. So there is the blue, and that is Shattered. And then one of my favorites, this Maui Wowie color. It's like, I guess like a taupe color with shimmer in it, but it almost has like a green undertone to it. It's really pretty, and that's it right there. I have paired Maui Wowie, Smog, and Mildew together quite a bit, and they're really quite gorgeous. So I like that on the bottom you kind of get some lighter mid-tone shades, and then at the top you get a little bit more of like the mid-tone to darker shades. So all in all, I think it's an awesome palette. I don't know that I would pay the full $34 for it. I mean, know that you are getting more with the set. You're getting the brush that I think it comes with. I'm not totally sure. This one, by the way, came with a dual-ended, just like sponge tip applicator, which I just threw out. And it does come with the Urban Decay Perma Potion if you pay the full $34. But for $10, I think it's a steal. For $34, I'd definitely think about it. Go in and play with it a little bit before you decide, because it is a little bit difficult to come up with looks totally from this palette. I feel like I have to use a lot of eyeshadows from other palettes in addition to these, just because they're all so shimmery and they're so many different colors that it's kind of hard to find a good match. But all in all, I really do like it, and I'm glad I got my hands on it. So if you want to see any looks with this, if you want to see any of the colors in action, have any questions, go ahead and just leave those down in the comments, and I will be sure to get back to you as I drop it as soon as possible. So have a good day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.